So today I'm going to show you how to make burrito. Yes, first of all I want to say Happy New Year for 2009. Hooray! Okay, so I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you the ingredients of burrito. So today we're going to Mexico. Yeah, you can see here I'm going to start with cheese. You can see cheese here, and the carrot, and the onion I cut is slice. You see here, even the carrot I cut slice, and the green pepper, lime. You see, fresh lime. Yeah, lime. And here is my secret sauce. You can do yourself. You can use any sauce. You know, burrito without it. Sauce it can be good, but I think it's delicious with sauce. Okay, and here we have ground beef. Yes, and here I have a dry seasoning. You can see here is black pepper, chili, garlic powder. I'm going to use this dry season in the when I'm going to saute ground beef, and also I'm going to use cooking oil. There is cooking oil here. Yes, beans. Yeah, there is beans here already. Tortilla wrap. You need to have tortilla wrap. Yep, the tortilla wrap is very important. Yeah. Yeah, you can buy this tortilla wrap. I bought it in the local store. Yeah, you can do yourself two fresh one. Simple. This is just simple food. This simple food you can make dinner for your family. First, if you are busy, yeah, you can do that. This. So this is our ingredients for today. So the first things I'm going to do here, I'm going to I want to put this side. I'm going to saute the beef, to cook the beef. So first I'm going to switch on. Yes, medium high. I think it's already. I need to wait until the oil is warm or is little hot. Then I'm going to add the ground. Okay, now I'm going to add this whole beef, ground beef. You can see here. Now I'm going to put lime, you see, or lemon. Yes. You see, I'm going to add the season. Also, I'm going to add salty, little bit of pinch of salty. I don't use a lot of salty to my food, okay? Yeah, but it depends. Someone can use more. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to wrap it. Yes, the tortilla is ready here, and also oh, excuse me, the beef, you see it is dry, ground beef. It's ready. Yep. Okay, I'm going to start with putting carrot. You see it, carrot. You put enough one, which you can make it too much. And the green pepper, you see, I put them. It's just my style. And the onion, it's less of onion. You see, I have onion. The beef now, ground beef. Yes, enough one. And the beans, you see, Put the beans, you see, yep. The beans. Oh, this is my way, you know. You can do your way if you want, maybe to start with beans or ground beef or maybe cheese, whatever you need, but it can be okay. Okay, so this is just my way. Okay, it's option for you. Okay, so I'm going to put the cheese, the shredded cheese. Okay, cheese. And is something I want to tell you, make sure the beef is cooled down when you do this sauce. You see it? That is, so I'm going to wrap it. You see it? I'm going to wrap it. It's easy. The wrap is so easy, you know, anybody can wrap. You see? Yeah. See, so I'm going to take the second one. Onion. And beef. Beans. Cheese and the sauce. And I'm gonna wrap this. The burrito. So this is how to make it burrito. Very simple, easy. You like it, thumb up. It means like it, thumb up. Yes, subscribe. Yes, yes, yes. Subscribe to me or subscribe to us. Yeah, that is.